So over here, I am in the metadata view, and to be in metadata view, you can click on the metadata over here on the top, or on Windows, you can go around onto workspace and then select metadata. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and filter out these files according to the metadata that I have. In that case, you can go around onto the filters tab right here, and you can see that you can filter according to the metadata that you have right here. For example, you can filter out by the ratings right here, just like this. You can click right here and click 2 to actually go around and display both of them right here. Apart from that, you can also see that there are a file type that you can filter with. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select JPEG, and then let's say, for example, the 1 to 4 star, and then they get filtered out accordingly. In the author name, you can also see that you can filter out by author name right here, or just by this. So let's just go around over here and select YouTube 2, and there doesn't seem to be any file. So let me just go around and select all of these, and you can see that it displays out the files with YouTube 2 as author name right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and filter out files using metadata using the filter pane in metadata view, just like this. And you can filter out by many different type of metadata that you have right here, and you get the filter accordingly over here on the right hand side in the list section. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.